Video is peerless when it comes to reaching out to potential customers. YouTube gets over 1 billion visitors each month. This means about 1/5 of the world's population enters YouTube once a month. That's the power of video. Customers consume video content, and stunning quality videos are shared like crazy and make products go viral. Fast-packed, engaging, animated videos are probably the most effective advertisement tool at the moment. More than 90% of people rely on videos to make buying decisions. Are you ready to create stunning videos for your business, video blog, or podcast? I know what you are thinking. Creating a video can be a great hassle, especially for a non-professional. Creating a professional video usually means buying expensive software licenses, learning how to use complicated tools, or hiring expensive freelancers and handling a lot of back and forth and delays. Not anymore. You can now create stunning animated videos without breaking the bank or having to wait for weeks. What if there was a tool that allowed you to create 5-star videos with zero design skills in just 3 easy steps? We wanted to allow any content creator to make animated videos easily and instantly. Introducing Vice Studio FX, the revolutionary video editing tool that you can use right away to massively raise video quality and cut production cost. With Vice Studio FX, you can create engaging videos in minutes. You can pick your favorite templates, elements, and favorite scenes, and there are a lot of options to choose from. Add them to your video and amaze your audience. This is the #1 tool for any vlogger who wants to really up their game and get more views on their YouTube channel. And it's super easy to use. There's no learning curve, and you don't need any editing skills. Anyone can do it. All you need is PowerPoint and you're set to go. All our cool templates are full customizable in this popular software you know and love. Just check out our premium template library to see what's possible. Video editing will become not only easy but also fun. You won't believe how fast you can create a professionally looking video. It works so well because everything is pre-built for you. You will get access to a large package of professionally designed templates, and all you need to do is make some style changes to make the video match your style. It's almost like magic. Are you ready to upgrade your video editing game? Make amazing looking videos fast. Forget about expensive video editing software. You'll never need them again. No more stressing about making quality videos. Do it yourself and massively cut cost. That's where Vice Studio FX comes in. Creating videos used to be a cumbersome process that required technical know-how, specialized equipment, and skilled manpower. But not anymore. You can use the Vice Studio innovative templates to create your marketing videos in under 5 minutes. Vice Studio FX allows you to make vivid, engaging, catchy, and viral videos that your viewers will notice and hit the subscribe button. No design skills needed. Start right away. Get your Vice Studio FX for the best price ever. You'll get instant access and you can create your first video today. Take advantage of the limited time offer and get your copy now. Price goes up with every purchase and it will quickly rise to the normal price of $97. Act now. Nothing to lose. You are fully covered by the 30-day money-back guarantee. You will get the most unbeatable package with 30 days money-back guarantee. Your satisfaction is a sure thing. That's amazing, isn't it? You can't afford to miss out. No more lengthy editing courses or monthly software fees. Impress your audience, bring in more subscribers, and boost sales now. Friendly warning. Price will go up if you leave this page. The current offer will disappear forever. If you come back later, price will likely double or triple. Lock in the limited time offer and don't waste any more time. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. Get your copy of Vice Studio FX now.